Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add music on your Facebook story. To add music on your Facebook story, firstly open your Facebook application. Now tap on create story. After that choose the photo that you want to post on your story. Now tap on music at the right side of your screen. Now choose the music that you want to put on your Facebook story. You can even search for the music that you want to put on your Facebook story. Now tap on the music that you want to put. Now tap on share button. This is how you will be able to put music on your Facebook story. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.